lawyers. And those lawyers, we know what is right. We know the rules of court. The rules of court are laws as well. They know when, how, and where to serve. As I'm talking to you now, I've not laid my eyes on any paper. I'm just hearing it from the committee. I have not seen any document. It is the Senate chairman that is always, the committee chairman that is always making reference to the court's document. We have not seen anything. We have not seen anything. Even the one we are talking about on the pages of newspapers, I don't think I have seen anything like that. But if in the case there is, well, we don't know why they are going about that way. But to be honest, we have not been served. Yes. And justice is justice. There is no any other name attached to it or that can be substituted. So what we are fighting for is this justice. That every Nigerian knows that this boy was beaten by this man. A lot of Nigerians saw this thing, and a lot of Nigerians are waiting to see what the Senate is going to do. With what transpired today in this committee, there is no order of any court stopping the Senate from hearing its case, from hearing this case. Nigerians should mark this. No order of any court. A mere service of court process, originating summons, complaining about our coming to the Senate with this petition, does not warrant a stay of proceedings that can stop the Senate from going on. Now, like I told the committee, the Senate has the constitutional power to hear this. Now, it's not left for the Senate to take its decision. That after going through the laws, the enabling laws, we realize that we have these powers. And the court cannot stop us because the matter is already before us before they went to court. The judiciary cannot stop the legislature from going on with its job, its constitutional job. What we expect them to do is to wait after the determination of the outcome of the decision or the decision of this committee, and it violates any laws in place. Then the respondents can go ahead to challenge the decision of the Senate. But right now, they have not even taken a decision. The content of the petition is right there before the public. What we brought before the Senate is not only issue of assault. He is a public officer. The act he demonstrated there, is it good of a public officer to do that in his capacity? Are you getting me? And we also stated it there clearly that the Senate should investigate this matter. And at the end of the day, if possible, refer the matter to the office of the AG for prosecution. That's the Attorney General of the Federation for prosecution, or the Commissioner or the Inspector General of Police for prosecution. Look at the content of that petition. In that petition, there is no way we stated that Justice Umar be arraigned, be convicted, and be sentenced. Nowhere. The Senate has the power to investigate and to make appropriate recommendation, either to the President or the appropriate institution. That is our position. I don't know where it's heading to.
Okay, now, the Senate, like Pontius Pilate, has
taken its decision, perhaps in its own wisdom. They know what they're trying to pursue. But as far as we are concerned, we are lawyers. We know the law. We know what the law says. And we know the procedures to be followed. These have not been followed. To be honest, from my mind, the Senate will really hit itself in the boots if it tries to rob itself with what Justice Umar is trying to do. Because we all know that the Senate still retains the powers to hear this matter and to do appropriate orders or directives as to how Justice Umar be handled.
There is a new evidence, or there are new evidence emerging, out of this case.
Yes.
We are hearing that your client here actually was in Transcorp Hilton. The video I have that he collected money from Danladi Umar and that he wrote that letter and wrote another letter saying that everything that happened to him was photoshopped, that it was not true, he was assaulted. He wrote copies of those letters out to me as I speak.
Listen, gentlemen of the press. Our client is a security man. He's not a businessman.
Did he write a letter? Did he collect any amount of money from
Listen,
Danladi from business?
that, if you are at the last sitting, he has answered that question.
I want him to
Before Nigerians. No. I don't know what you are looking for. No, but he has answered that question before the public. It was on air. You had it. He answered it before AIT, before we came to the Senate again, and he repeated the same thing. So I don't know what you are looking for.
I want to be sure he's the one I
No. For you, he is the one. He has not changed. He's still the one. So I don't know what you are looking for.
No, I'm saying a video.
So listen,
a new video
what you have just said,
it
is only you that has, I don't have the knowledge of what you are saying. I don't have the knowledge of what you are saying. Maybe perhaps Danladi he went there to go and do his business, other transactions there, who knows. What we have is a petition before the Senate. And we wrote the petition. If there is any withdrawal of any petition, if there is any letter to that effect, it must emanate from us. For that letter to have legal effect, for that document to have legal effect, it must emanate from us. And if there is any letter that came out from somewhere, well, that is based not to whosoever wrote the letter. But right now, we are not aware. Thank you very much.